In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock camping gear keywords for Google Ads. Whether you're just dipping your toes into digital marketing or looking to refine your approach, this guide will help you get started in just 5 minutes. First, you'll want to sign into your Google Ads account. This is your primary portal for managing campaigns and accessing all the tools Google has to offer. Once you're signed in, navigate to the top menu and look for the Tools icon. It's usually represented by a little wrench. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu filled with options designed to help you improve your ad strategies. Next, you'll want to click on Keyword Planner, which can be found under the Planning section. The Keyword Planner is a powerful tool that allows you to discover new keywords and see how they might perform. It's an essential step for anyone looking to target specific sectors or markets effectively. Once you're in the Keyword Planner, select Discover New Keywords. This feature helps you uncover potential keywords that people use when searching online. It's particularly useful because it taps directly into Google's vast data, giving you insights into what your target audience is actively searching for. Now, let's get more specific. You can start with keywords by entering terms directly related to your business. Think about what your customers might type into the search bar. For a business focused on camping gear, relevant terms could be tent, sleeping bag, camping backpack, or any specific brands you offer. This will give you a starting point for broadening your keyword approach. Another option is to start with a website. Enter your competitor's URL into the search field to see what keywords are driving traffic to their site. This can offer valuable insights into their strategies and help you find keywords you might have overlooked. To ensure you're getting the most relevant data, refine your search by specifying your target language and location. This step is crucial if you want your ads to reach the right audience. Adjusting these settings will give you a clearer picture of what works in your specific market area. When you're ready, click on Get Results. This will generate a list of keyword ideas along with helpful metrics such as average monthly searches and competition level. It's a goldmine of data that can guide your strategy and decision-making process. The next step involves analyzing and refining your keyword list. Consider factors like search volume and how competitive each keyword is. This will help you determine which keywords to prioritize in your marketing campaigns. Lastly, once you've decided on your keywords, incorporate them into your campaigns. Using well-researched keywords in your Google Ads campaigns can significantly improve your ad performance by making sure you reach interested customers more effectively. And there you have it, a straightforward way to unlock camping gear keywords for your Google Ads in just a few minutes. Happy advertising.